Hi, Stefan here with Chatbots Life, and today I'm talking with Mark Stephen Meadows from Botanic Technologies and Seed Token. He's also one of our speakers at the Chatbot Conference, and today Mark's going to he's going to share some of his wisdom. So he's got a number of things that he wants to share. Mark?
Well, yes.
That's very good. Okay, what would be your number one tip to people that want to make a good bot, to bot developers?
Test. It's user testing, really. Understand how is the system communicating to other people, and looking at chat logs, looking at ways in which they're interacting, measuring the frequency of task completion, and really after somebody's interacted with the system, how did they find it?
I see. So discovery.
Yeah.
Awesome. And then if you're a company and you're looking to get into a chatbot, maybe you want to develop a chatbot for your website or for one of your teams, or maybe you want to do something more sophisticated like a knowledge system. What would be your number one tip for companies looking to get into the space? And then how do they make decisions?
Right. Well, it's really look at the end user that you're serving. Who is your customer? What are they trying to get done? And how can you help them accomplish that? Start with the end user. Do not start with the technology. If you start with the end user, then you start with the function and the use. And if you do that, then you know what tools to use. So always begin with the customer and help them solve their problem.
Yeah. So thank you for saying that. Because a lot of times when I talk with either companies or when I'm talking with bot developers, they do the most, I don't know, common thing to do, which is they see this amazing new shiny toy. And they're like, what can I do with this?
Yeah.
And as soon as you say, what can I do with this? You're like, put the cart in front of the horse. You're a solution looking for a problem. So I'm sure you have a lot more advice. You have like 2 or 3 more things?
Well, for developers, I think it's, again...
hold on.
Oh, yeah.
Just come to the conference. He'll share it with you. If you want to learn more about Seed Token, go to seedtoken.io. Right now, they're accepting
all kinds of help from all kinds of quarters so that we can make the future of video bots, assistants, chatbots, and other conversational interfaces.
And before we go, give me your 60-second pitch on Seed Token and how developers and companies can get involved.
Well, Seed Token is a blockchain-based economy for bots, conversational interfaces, and AI. We're democratizing artificial intelligence from the front and back.
That's awesome.
And anybody that wants to get involved, come to seedtoken.io, sign up. And we're looking for folks that are helping us with developers, deployers, analysts, advertisers even, down the road. It's a whole economy.
Yeah. Basically, if you're a company, you can come on here, post your project, and developers on the Seed Token network will help you get it done. So thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.